Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, 2024, and we're looking to go up with QQQ.
Order fill.
H pattern, moving average bounce. H pattern, slingshot, lawn probability 3. H pattern, Fibonacci retracement, slingshot. 555 H pattern, lightning to the upside. Our first target is the price returning back to the high of the day, and how it responds off the high of the day will dictate whether we'll take profits or it might show potential to go the full dollar. But overall, we're going to play this bar by bar and see how things transpire. Now that the price is accelerating to the upside, I want to see this continue. So within the next bar or two, I want to see it accelerate to the point where it pushes past the high of the day and get to our $1 target. If we start slowing down in the next couple bars at that high of the day, we're going to take profits because the acceleration won't be strong enough to break the high of the day. So we'll just take a 75 cents to 80 cent move at that point. If the next bar that opens doesn't quickly accelerate past the high of the day, we'll wait a couple seconds once the bar opens. If it doesn't lunge above the high of the day, we're going to take profits at that point.
Order fill.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a 75 cent run. As you can see, we got to that high of the day area and we're losing juice. So we're not going to stick around and hope that it's going to do its full dollar. It's proven that it's not going to accelerate past that level, so there's no reason to stay in this trade at this point in time.